Hi everyone! Let's learn animal names and facts at the waterfall! Duck! Some duck species can dive up to 240 feet underwater! Tiger! A tiger's roar can be heard from up to 3 kilometers away! Owl! An owl's eyeballs are tube-shaped! Hedgehog! Hedgehogs can travel up to 2 miles in a single night! A group of hedgehogs is called an array or a prickle. Horse. Horses can sleep standing up. Rabbit. Rabbits can live for up to 16 years. Goat. There are over 210 different breeds of goat. Crocodile. Some crocodiles can go through over 3,000 teeth in their lifetime. Rooster! The average lifespan for a rooster is 5 to 8 years. Rabbit! Rabbits can jump over 2 feet high. Duck! Ducklings can swim and walk within 20 hours of hatching. Zebra! Zebras can run at up to 65 kilometers per hour. Bird! There are over 10,000 species of birds. Alligator! Alligators can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Pig! A pig's sense of smell is around 2,000 times more sensitive than a human's. Lion! Lions are the only types of cats that live in social groups. These social groups are called prides. Panda! Pandas spend around 12 hours a day eating bamboo. Gecko! Some types of gecko can live for over 40 years. Rhinoceros! Rhino horns are made of keratin, the same as your hair and nails. Bear! There are 8 known species of bear. Sloth! Sloths sleep for up to 20 hours a day. Let's say their names again. Sloth! Bear! Rhinoceros! Gecko! Panda! Lion! Pig! Alligator! Bird! Zebra! Duck! Rabbit! Rooster! Crocodile! Goat! Rabbit! Horse! Hedgehog! Owl! Tiger! Duck! Thanks for watching, everyone!